Hi, I'm Madeline Tandry of DIY Salvation, YouTube's home to the resolution of the mind, also known as TROM. I'm here to give you a brief introduction to this subject by telling you what TROM is, how it works, what the benefits are, and what we do to help you learn it and practice it. The simplest definition of TROM is that it's a self-applied psychotherapy, and those are the very words of Dennis Stevens himself, the man who researched and developed TROM. And in my opinion, which I will thoroughly label as such, that's quite an understatement, considering what TROM has done for me, and the results others have gotten with it and reported to me. While normally you would think of any kind of psychotherapy as a way of taking someone who is in bad shape up to the level of normal, TROM can help take you to levels of awareness beyond the norm. Because from the study of TROM alone, you learn not just that life is a game, but the underlying structure of games themselves. And not just the games you play with and against others, but the games you play with yourself and your mind. In addition to your study, you'll learn how through TROM's 5 sets of mental exercises, you can get over past trauma, understand and resolve your inner conflicts, relieve yourself of the burden of past sins, and other benefits you'll discover on your own. You learn techniques to achieve a mental balance that keeps you in touch with the present, so the past will trouble you no more. You'll find out how to confess your sins to yourself without having to hire a therapist or see a minister. You'll play out the conflicts you've had with others, which will lead you to ending the conflicts you've had with yourself. You don't have to go to years of college, join some religion or cult, or even pay anyone anything to do any of this. Since TROM is self-applied, you take responsibility for your own mental and spiritual condition and lift yourself up to higher states of awareness. Nearly anyone who is of at least average intelligence, who has had a high school education or above, can learn and practice TROM. It doesn't matter if you prefer to learn by reading, watching videos, or by listening. Between our YouTube channel, our website, and the books we publish, we provide videos for you to watch, recordings to listen to, and materials to read. And we explain everything step by step and in layman's terms. Getting started is easy. Watch our 15-minute video on how to perform TROM Level 1 on our Start Here playlist, and just do it. You can also learn Level 1 by going to bettertrom.com and reading the instructions, or by listening to the audio lecture. If you want to learn more on TROM theory, you can read, watch, or listen to our TROM 101 series. You can read our layman-friendly edition of Dennis Stevens' book on the resolution of the mind. However you decide to approach TROM, make sure to stay connected. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Visit our website. Don't pass up this opportunity. We don't charge anything for our materials, and you can write us for free help at roger@bettertrom.com or TROMGuides@gmail.com for individual help with your TROM practice. I'm Madeline Tandry. We are DIY Salvation. Don't just use your mind, resolve it.